Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear students of class 6, this is Kholilur Rahman, assistant teacher of Ideal School and College, Bonusri English version, day shift. My dear students, good morning to all. I hope all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Dear students of class 6, you know, in last class I discussed about simple equation. Today I am going to discuss the remaining part of the simple equation. Before starting my class, I would like to request all, don't send any sticker or unnecessary comments. Okay, my dear students, let's go to enjoy the class. Okay, students of class 6, can you see everything and can you hear me? If you have book, just open page number 121. Page 121. I'm going to solve. You see what problem? 24 number. If 6 is added to twice a number, the sum will be 14. What is the number? You see, you have to let the unknown number be x. We have to consider the unknown number be x, and you have to form an equation, because here is written solve by forming equation. So you have, at first you have to write what is given here. Here is given, if 6 is added to twice a number, the sum will be 14. So I am going to write the given portion, 24 number. Given, if 6 is added to twice a number, the sum will be 14. If 6 is added to twice the number, the sum will be 14. Let the record number be x. Let the required number be x. According to the question, according to the question, you see, if 6 is added to twice a number, the number is x, we consider. So twice, that means 2x, and you have to add 6 with them, that means 2x plus 6. 2x plus 6, and the sum will be 14, equals to 14. So at first you see there is plus 6, so you have to subtract 6 from both sides, or 2x plus 6 minus 6, 14 minus 6, or 2x equals to 14 minus 6, it will be 8. Now you have to divide by 2, am I right? Two x by 2 equals to 8 by 2. So it will be x equals to 4. So the required number is 4. Answer 4. Here you have to give side note, subtracting 6 from the both sides. Subtracting 6 from the both sides, and you have to write here dividing both sides by 2. Okay. Have you understood, my dear students? Now I am going to solve 25 number. You see what is written here in 25. If 5 is subtracted from a number, the difference will be 11. What is the number? Okay. If 5 is subtracted from a number, we have to consider the number as x. So if you subtract 5, that means x minus 5 equals to 11. So the equation will be x minus 5 equal 11. Twenty-five number given if 5 is subtracted from a number, the if 5 is subtracted from a number, the difference will be 11. Let the unknown number be x. According to the question, x minus 5 equals to 11, or x minus 5 plus 5, 11 plus 5, or x equals to 16. The required number is 16. Answer 16, and you have to give a side note here, adding 5 to the both sides. Okay. Adding 5 to the both sides. Have you understood? Okay, now I am going to solve 26th number. You see what is written here. 26. What is the number whose sum 7 times will be equal to 21? That means you have to consider the number as x, so it will be 7x. So, given 7 times of a number will be equal to 21. Seven times of a number seven times of a number is 7 times of a number will be 21. Let the unknown number be x. Okay. Let the unknown number be x. Okay. Let the unknown number be x according to the question. According to the question, 7 into x equals to 21. Okay, 7 into x equals to 21, or by 7. Dividing both sides by 7. Dividing both sides by 7. Or x equals to 3. So the result will be 3. Am I right? You see what I have written here. It is given in the book. 7 times of a number will be 21. I have considered the unknown number be x. According to the question, I have written 7 times. Times means multiplication. So 7 into x equals to 21. Here 7 is multiplied with x. That's why I have to divide. Okay. 7 into x divided by 7 equals to 21 by 7. If I divide, it will be 21 divided by 7, it will be 3. If I cut 7, there will be x. So x equals to 3. Okay. Next, you see 27 number. What is written here? If 3 is added to 4 times of a number, the sum will be 23. If 3 is added to 4 times of a number, that means the unknown number be x, 4 times of a number, that is 4x, and you have to add 3, that means 4x plus 3 equals to 23. Okay. So 27 number I am solving. My dear students, if you have any problem, just ask me. Given if 3 is added to 4 times of a number, the sum will be 23. Okay. The sum will be 23. According to the question, let the unknown number be x. Okay. Let the unknown number be x. According to the question, four x plus 3 equals to 23. Okay. Now at first you have to subtract 3 from both sides because there is plus 3. The opposite of plus 3 is minus 3, or 4x plus 3 minus 3, 23 minus 3. Subtracting 3 from the both sides. Is it clear? Or 4x equals to 23 minus 3, it will be 20. Is it clear? Or 4x by 4 equals to 20 by 4. Dividing both sides by 4. Dividing both sides by 4. Or x equals to, it will be 5. Is it clear? So the required number is 5. Answer 5. Have you understood? Okay, my dear students, now I am going to solve 28 number. You see what is written here in 28. If 3 times of a number is added to 5 times that number, the sum will be 32. Find the number. Okay, 3 times of a number, that means 3x, is added to 5 times that number, that means plus 5x, equals to 32. Is it clear? So I am going to write 28 number. Given if 3 times of a number is if 3 times of a number is added to 5 times that number, the sum will be 32. The sum will be, if 3 times of a number is added to 5 times that number, the sum will be 32. Let the number be x. Okay. According to the question, three x plus 5x equals to 32. Or 3x plus 5x, it will be 8x equals to 32. Or 8x by 8 equals to 32 by 8. So x equals to 4. Yes, the answer is 4. Okay, now I am going to solve 29 number. You see what is written here. If twice a number is if twice the number is subtracted from 4 times the number, the difference will be 24. Find the number. Okay, so at first, what is given? 29 number, you have to write. If a number is subtracted from 4 times the number, the difference will be 24. Is it clear? Let the unknown number be x. According to the question, four x minus 2x equals to 24, or 2x equals to 24, or 2x by 2 equals to 24 by 2, dividing both sides by 2. Dividing both sides by 2. Is it clear? So x equals to what? If I divide 24 by 2, it will be 12. Am I right? Or x equals to 12. Answer 12. Third number, you see, if the price of a pen is less than its specified price by 2 taka, the price would be 10 taka. What is the price of the pen? So what is given at first, you have to write that. Third number, given if the price of a pen is by 2 taka, price would be 10 taka. Let the price of the pen be taka x. According to the question, x minus 2, since it is less, so you have to subtract. X minus 2, it will be 10. Am I right? Or x minus 2 plus 2, it will be 10 plus 2. Adding 2 to the both sides. Is it clear? Or x equals to 10 plus 2, it will be 12. Taka 12. Answer taka 12. Okay, my dear, now I am giving you SW. Four minus x equals to 9. 9 and 3x minus 8 equals to x plus 2 are three equations. Solve the first equation, B number. If the solution of the second equation be x equals to 2, then verify the correctness of the equation. C. Solve the third equation and verify and justify your result. And justify your result. This one will be your SW. So can you see clearly? Okay, my dear students, that's all today. And you know, after our Eid vacation will be started, so Eid Mubarak to all. Stay home, stay safe due to COVID-19. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.